Hi guys, welcome to the Declan channel. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So let's get started. In today's video, we are making those sweaters. So guys, Christmas is right around the corner and we need those ugly Christmas sweater, right? So today's video, we are going to make some cute ugly Christmas sweater. I have two sweaters here that I already have it at home for my kids, and I'm gonna use some Christmas tree leftover decoration and some crafty supply that I have home. So guys, for this project, I will not use a lot of glue because I want to be able to reuse those sweater. So I will sew in the different ornament that I'm gonna put on the sweater, and for that I will need needle and some thread. I have a white and red thread for each sweater. So for this white sweater, I'm going to use this red stocking, and I'm going to try to make a Christmas tree like shape on the stocking. So I cut my pattern, a triangle pattern on a paper, a triangle pattern on a paper, and I put on some string. So I'm going to show you how I put the string on the paper to look like a Christmas tree. Okay. Now that I'm done, I'll put it on the side and I will sew my stocking on my sweater. Now that I'm done sewing my stocking on the sweater, I'm going to sew some Christmas ornament as well on the sweater. And for this, I'm going to use blue icicle Christmas decoration ornament, and I'm also going to use a blue snowflake Christmas decoration icicle. Guys, you can use anything you want. You can put anything. You can glue it. You don't have to sew like me. You can glue it in if you will not use the sweater later on. It's my own preference to sew in because, like I said earlier, I would like to be able to reuse the sweater for other projects. Now I'm going to make my Christmas tree on my red stocking, and I'm going to use a glue gun to glue it on the stocking. Now that I'm done gluing my Christmas tree on the stocking, I'm going to go in my craft box and I'm going to pull out any craft material, any craft jewelry that I have, and I'm going to glue it on my stocking as well. For the sleeve, I'm going to use some Christmas garland, and I'm gonna make some create a pattern. You can do anything, any pattern you want. Like I said, go gaga, have fun, do whatever pattern you want. And for this one, I will also sew in on the sweater. I'm not gonna glue it on the sweater, I'm gonna sew it in. I am done with the first sweater, and guys, look how it turned out. Now I'm gonna tackle the second sweater for my son. I already glued the little bell on the stocking, so I'm just gonna put a little ornament all around it, and I'm not gonna do much because my son doesn't like, I'm not even sure that he will wear this, but I will try to make him wear it. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to sew it in, and I'm going to show you the final result. I am done with the second sweater. For this one, I went very minimalistic, and guys, feel free to go crazy, add anything you want on it. Okay guys, I added more ornament on the red sweater later on because my son thought it was too simple. So guys, we are at the end of this video. I hope you like it. Bye bye.